Smile one more time for you.
Hello and welcome to another episode of I know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Today we are doing the viral TikTok Greek frappe. You know, with this whole quarantine thing, there's really not much to do besides just, you know, scroll on TikTok. And so when I saw this Greek frappe, this like whipped coffee thing, I was like, that's intriguing. Let's try it. And so that's what we're doing today. We're not in my own kitchen, but you know, everything for the aesthetic, am I right? So I think we should just get started because my ice is melting. But before we get started, we should probably, you know, watch the TikTok that started it all. So I'm just gonna put it in, you can enjoy it, you know, sit down. Put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby, squeeze me out so tight. And we're back. I think we should just get started. I'm hyped. I hope it's actually good. However, I've seen other YouTubers try it and they say it isn't. So anyway, let's just find out. So let's just see what we need for this. Instant coffee, sugar, ice, milk, and a whole lot of patience. Also, you need hot water, forgot to mention that. So first of all, the recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. So let's just do that. I'm pretty sure this soup ladle, but you know, living the life. I mean, it smells good. But does that mean it is good? That's the question. And now they want you to whip this a long time. So let's just get this started. And now the recipe just wants you to whip this until it forms stiff peaks. So let's go. Oh, it's beginning to do something. Let's go. I really thought this would be easy, huh? We have frothy yet still liquid texture, but it's beginning to look like something, or at least I'm fooling myself into thinking it's looking like something. Are we getting somewhere? Actually, I hope it doesn't taste good, because otherwise I'm going to be forced to do this multiple times. I think it's pretty good, but I'm going to whip it for 2 minutes more. Let's give it 2 more minutes. I think we got it. It's now forming stiff peaks, or at least I like to call this stiff peaks. So let's now assemble this. Cup of ice, milk, not too about that much, and add our concoction. Moment of truth. It's okay. It's good. It is good. Wow. It is kind of good in a weird way. It's very frothy. It's a frothy experience, a summer day kind of experience. So, final verdict, I do like it. It's very good. However, is it worth the effort? I don't know. If you're bored in quarantine, definitely give it a try. But I don't know if I would do this consistently. However, I will enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!